Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting machines on wheels. And today, buckle up, because we're taking a ride into the future of road luxury. The 2025 Luxurious Limousine Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving five-star suite on wheels, blending the elegance of a limousine with the comfort and space of a high-end RV. Whether you're a luxury traveler, a celebrity on tour, or just someone who loves the open road without sacrificing style, this beast is built for you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Limousine Motorhome is a head-turner. With its stretched body, panoramic windows, and a glossy chrome-accented finish, it commands presence on the road. LED lighting runs elegantly along the sides, and the 22-inch alloy wheels add that extra dose of flair. And yes, it's got a built-in retractable awning, perfect for those sunset views. Now let's step inside. As the automatic doors glide open, you're welcomed by ambient lighting and Italian leather interiors. The cabin is divided into 3 zones: the lounge, the entertainment suite, and the private bedroom. In the lounge, there are massaging recliner seats, a real hardwood floor, and a minibar stocked with smart cooling tech. The entertainment suite? Think 75-inch OLED screen, surround sound speakers, and even a built-in VR gaming corner, all powered by solar-enhanced lithium batteries for off-grid fun. But the real magic lies in the smart automation. The 2025 VU5 model comes with voice-controlled lighting, temperature, and even window tint. Feeling warm? Just say it. Want privacy? One command, and the tinted glass goes fully opaque. The kitchenette is compact but ultra-premium, with an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and an espresso machine that remembers your favorite brew. The restroom features marble finishes and a rainfall shower, something you'd expect in a luxury hotel, not a moving vehicle. And when it's time to rest, the rear suite offers a queen-size memory foam bed, blackout curtains, and a skylight with a view of the stars. On the road, the 2025 Limousine Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine with over 500 horsepower, giving it smooth cruising and surprisingly efficient mileage for its size. It also has adaptive air suspension, so even the bumpiest highways feel like you're floating. Safety? Top tier. 360-degree cameras, AI-assisted driving, blind spot monitors, and emergency braking make every journey secure and stress-free. And here's the real kicker. It's fully customizable. From color palettes to interior layouts, everything is tailored to your taste. So, what's the verdict? If you want unmatched comfort, head-turning style, and next-level tech, the 2025 Luxurious Limousine Motorhome is the king of the open road. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more ultimate reviews from the world of wheels. Let us know in the comments. Would you live in one of these full-time? Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the engines roaring.